big factor will be the wind. Taking a look at the current wind speeds, we're seeing gusts upwards of 20-25 miles per hour up through Boulder and Fort Collins this morning. Calm conditions here in the city, but we'll continue to see those winds really ramp up after about 11 a.m. where we could see wind gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour in Estes Park through the afternoon and evening hours. So no surprise here. A high wind warning has been issued for gusts 60 to 75 miles per hour. This includes all of the foothills, Rocky Mountain National Park, where we'll see wind speeds 25 to 40 miles per hour. So again, this is in place from 11 a.m. through 11 p.m. tonight. On the satellite radar, a mix of sun and clouds this morning. Starting to see just a few light snow showers redevelop in the high country, and we'll continue to see that as we go into the afternoon hours. 39 at the airport right now, 37 downtown. Winds are light right now in the city out of the west at 7 miles per hour. On the futurecast, very light snow concentrated to the northern mountains. That'll work its way through today, and in the evening hours, we'll slowly watch these snow showers come to an end, but we're expecting to stay dry and mostly sunny here in the Front Range and Eastern Plains today and into tomorrow. Sunshine and dry conditions continue. As far as snowfall totals, unfortunately, the system just lacks much moisture. So we're going to pick up an inch, maybe two in places like Steamboat, but really light totals from the system passing through. Today, temperatures once again above normal, but it will feel colder out there when you factor in the wind. 54 at the airport for a high today. Out across the Eastern Plains, we're looking at low to mid 50s, even some 60s sprinkled in down in southeast Colorado. And up in the high country, mainly in the 30s for your Saturday. Here in the city, we'll top out at 55 degrees, 55 in Inglewood as well as Wheat Ridge. And taking you south into Douglas County, we're looking at 53 in Castle Rock and into the Stonegate neighborhood. In Parker, we'll have mostly sunny conditions. It will be windy with a high of 53 degrees. Overnight tonight, temperatures will fall into the 20s. It'll be mostly clear. That wind staying with us until about 11 p.m. and then we'll slowly watch those winds relax overnight. And then heading into your work week tomorrow, it's going to be just a touch cooler. Temperatures back in the low 50s here in the Front Range, even some mid 40s sprinkled in across the Eastern Plains, mainly in the 30s up in the mountains for your Monday. On the Super 7-day forecast today, a high of 54. That wind, the big weather story. And if you are headed to the Broncos game this afternoon, 55 for kickoff at 2:25. We'll have plenty of sunshine to start, but that wind will be a factor, so it'll feel much cooler, especially by the end of the game as we drop into the 40s. Looking ahead to this week, we're seeing very warm weather by the time we get to Thursday, well above normal, 59 degrees, flirting with 60. And if we're looking at the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, temperatures running above average for the next 8 to 14 days. So right now it's looking like this mild weather is going to stick around all the way through next weekend.